How to fix Threads app not opening. If the Threads app is not opening on your device, then you could follow these steps. Like, first thing, you could force stop or force restart the app. That means you have to close the app completely from your multitasking recent app like this. And once you've done that, you then want to do is hold on to your side button and restart your app. That might also be able to, or restart your device, that might also be able to help you out. Next, sometimes the issue is on Meta's end as well. So you just want to check the thread status to see if there's a widespread outage as well. Next, you also want to make sure to visit the App Store or your respective Play Store so that there is an update, or if there is an update, it could be in recent as well. So you just want to type in threads and look at whether the app needs to be updated or not. If the issue still persists on, you could also go ahead and clear your cache and storage. For that, you just want to go to the settings section, locate app from the list, and select see all apps. And what next you want to do is select be real, and from there you just want to go ahead and locate storage and cache. Once you've done this, you then want to go ahead and make sure to clear your cache and storage, and that should help you out fix Threads app not opening. So this way you should be able to fix Threads app not opening. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.